Welcome to my Ipsy unboxing, where it's $10 a month with free shipping. Let's get started. First thing that I got was a card that says Unzipped Ipsy February 2018. And it says hashtag Ipsy Unzipped. Okay, let's see what I got in my bag. See, the bag that I got this time for February is a cream colored bag. To me it looks peachy, but it looks cream on camera, and it has a little bit of lace right here. And let's see what I got. The first thing that I got was this thing that looks like a macaroon, and it is called Bubble Macaroon Lip Balm. It's essence oil, and it's a lip balm in lemongrass and green tea. And it's in a cute like macaroon packaging. The second thing that I got was this Mask Sydney London, and it looks like it's loose eyeshadow. It says it's foiled again, and it looks really shiny and really pretty. The next thing that I got was some APTO. Sorry that it's not focusing so good. Oh, there it goes. APTO Moisture Retaining Day Lotion Dry Combination. And let's see. It is, you put the lotion on your skin, gently upward, strokes moving from the neck up to the forehead. So it's for the face. And it is a 15 milliliter, which is 0.5 fluid ounces. The next item that I got was a Luxie brush. It is a double-sided brush. Looks so cool. I'm pretty sure the bristles are super soft. And yeah. Oh, and let's see. It is Luxie 249. And the last thing that I got, wow, this is big. It is a curling mascara by the brand called Pink Pewter Collection. And the other side says it is an extreme voluminous extender. And let's see, what does it say here? It says it's a 17.6 milliliter, which is 0.60 ounces. Thank you for watching. I'll put the description down below. Bye.